Hey, what's going on, guys? We have a 2011 Grand Cherokee. My brother's friend brought me this truck. He wanted me to check it out. He was complaining about a clunk noise. So we're gonna try to duplicate it right now. Hopefully we can get the noise going.
I really gotta hold on.
Right here we got the BSA off. It's a 2-wheel drive, so we're able to pretty much just lifting the rear end, and we're gonna try to duplicate the noise right now. As you guys can see, the clunk noise is not really noticeable, so I will test drive the vehicle again. You guys can see the only way duplicating this noise was pretty much going in circles. You could hear it while driving in a straight line, but I got it to be more pronounced while doing circles at low speeds. But find a safe area. This is a closed, pretty much a closed street, so it's a safe area pretty much. I'm gonna try to jack it up, try to duplicate the noise, so that way you guys can see under and try to show you guys exactly where the noise is. Yeah, so let me drive it in. Trying to lift again. We're gonna try for the second time, trying to see if we can duplicate the noise. We already have it in the Jackson. Don't forget to turn off your BSA. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can get it. The noise is coming from the Driveshaft, right where the U-joint's at. This one, as you can see, you can't just replace the U-joint. It has to be the whole driveline. Okay guys, here we have a complete driveline assembly from Dodge. Like I mentioned earlier, you have to replace the whole unit, and it's not cheap. You can go aftermarket if you like, that's your own preference. Right here where the joint is at, the rubber tends to crack, causing excessive play, or also the housing leaks all the grease, causing the clunk or the rattle noise. So whenever you want to replace this, make sure, I like to use OEM parts. Just because you don't know what you're gonna get aftermarket. But the downside of OEM, well, it shouldn't be really a downside, but it gets quite expensive, you know. But you do get what you pay for, so I think quality is always best. Here's the price. right in the money. That was a negative. That was a negative, bro. There's another one. Strike two. First try is the charm. I'm gonna have to just bolt it from here. There's two flanges, and I could let it hang a little bit, because if not, it goes all the way to the back. So, nobody got time for that. But, yep, there it is. But, since this side has the studs, kind of complicates undropping, so it would have to go back. Damn. Yep. The only way to get it off is taking it from the rear mount and sliding it. Let me go check it out real quick. Heat shield. So that heat shield covers that center support right there. So the shield has to come off in order for you to take off the center support. They're so hard. I'm getting nice juicy pump over here. Oh, yeah. Okay. This one. It's coming like it's stripped or something. feel my fucking lats on fire. Man. Oh, that's why. That's why they're so fucking tight. They fucking put Loctite on that shit, mate. That's fucking Loctite. Alright, so we got the old one right here. As you can see right here, it's full of grease. So this was where all the play was at, excessive play. Look at this one. So yeah, this is it pretty much. You do have to bring down the exhaust. Let me show you guys how we do it. So, okay, I have a jack stand pretty much holding the exhaust because it goes all the way back, and it's supported in the back, but there's another one that goes really high, so it's like you kind of have to remove the bumper in a way. That's what it looks like. So I just pretty much unbolted the heat shield, and so you can give room for the drive shaft to come out. So right here is the transmission. That's where it bolts to the transmission. And we have the differential right there. Okay, so if you're doing, let's say, any transmission work or differential, that the drive shaft or the drive line has to come off, make sure you mark it because they're weighted. So right here, these are the weights. So if you take it off, you don't know the history of it, whatever, you do have to put it back in the same position. If not, you're gonna have a vibration while driving. Okay, so we're all done with our repairs right now. We're gonna try to see if the problem is gone. Okay, so we pretty much did exactly what we did earlier. We duplicated the noise. Now we did it again after the repairs, and the noise is gone. So, alright guys, here we're driving the car for the last time we came to the freeway. Make sure there's no vibration at freeway speeds, and confirming the repair. So far, everything's really good. Noise is gone. There's no more clunking noise. So yeah, there you guys have it. If you guys find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like the video, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.